What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Bitcoin took a little bit of a dip today. Bitcoin dipped down to 48,500. Yesterday, we were celebrating Bitcoin hit the $50,000 mark once again. That was a great milestone for us to hit, and we celebrated. All the altcoins was running up. Green candles was spitting out like fire yesterday. We enjoyed it. Today, Bitcoin took a little bit of a dip. It was dipping down. The red candles started to pop out. It got down as low as 48,500. A lot of folks started to panic. They wondering how low will Bitcoin go? Would it get back down to 45,000? Would it get down to 42,000? You know, whenever Bitcoin start to dip, there's a lot of FUD, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And a lot of folks start to panic because they don't understand the fundamentals. They don't quite understand the magnitude and the structure of the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. So they don't understand how to navigate. They don't understand how to proceed in this cycle that we're in. That's why you folks that are here with me today, you watching these videos, I'm going to hold your hand and walk you through it. You can watch some of my videos and I break down the Bitcoin 4-year cycle, which is very important. Those are the fundamentals that we use to dominate the 4-year Bitcoin cycle. But today, Bitcoin bounced back and it started to run back up, and now Bitcoin is standing strong, sitting at 49,500, only $500 away back to getting to $50,000. So Bitcoin has been showing resilient signs of strength. Things have been pumping, altcoins have been running up, so we are in a great place. We are in a great space and position right now. And we are still 62, 63 days away from the Bitcoin Super Bowl, which is the Bitcoin halving. After the Bitcoin halving, we know Bitcoin will start to really spike up. If you think it's spiking now, you haven't seen anything. The altcoins will start to go parabolic. We are in a great space, a great time. Continue to get your portfolio situated. Continue to buy these coins when they're low. Today, when the coins were beat down, when they started to show red, when they started to show negatives, that was a great buying opportunity once again. Like I tell everybody over there in the Patreon, when you see a down day, when you see a red day, those are sell prices. Those are buy signals for you to start purchasing, dollar cost averaging in, getting your portfolio even heavier. Because we know next year, 2025, all of our portfolios will probably be at least 7x or 10x from the position it's at right now. So it's real important to get your portfolio heavy right now during this particular moment. Let's talk about some of these small cap altcoins. First, let's talk about SWFTCoin. That is SWFTCoin. That coin is sitting right now at 0.0027. The market cap is very small, only $11 million market cap. Now that's a micro cap. It's sitting at number 437, largest altcoin on coin market cap. Very small. Such a small cap coin, but it's also supported on COINBASE. This coin has been around since 2018, so it has lasted through the times, and it is still currently supported by COINBASE, which says that this coin is strong. This coin has proven to be a solid coin to continue to be hanging around since 2018. Just last week, this coin was about $8 million. We got in this coin when it was 0.001, but last week this coin was 0.002, and it ran up in one day to 0.00335, which was just about 80%, 90% pump in one day. So, coins like this, they're small cap coins. They can do amazing numbers in one day. They can do amazing numbers over a 12-month period. That's why we have a large position in SWFTCoin. We plan on SWFTCoin going parabolic. Right now, like we say, it's only $11 million market cap. Just last week, it was about 7, $8 million market cap. So it is starting to climb. It is starting to become a larger market cap coins wise. So you can look at this coin. We know 2024, the Bitcoin halving. After the Bitcoin halving, we know coins start to go parabolic. The all-time high for this coin was 5 cents. So if you take the all-time high from where it is today at 0.002, you're talking about a 25x. I will take any coin that I can lock in to do a 25x. So we're trusting SWFTCoin. If it do a 25x, you're still only talking about a $250 million market cap, which is extremely small. A coin like SWFTCoin have the opportunity to do a 100x. If this coin hit a $1 billion market cap, it will be declared as placing as a 100x coin. Everybody's always looking for the next 100x coin. Everybody's always looking for the 1000x coin. So this is a coin right here, very small market cap. It's supported on COINBASE. It's been around since 2018. It has proven itself to be worthy. Just last week, we made 80%. We ran it up. When it went up, we sold at the top, waited till the coin dipped back down. And once it dipped back down, we got back in our position. But we were able to get back in as a greater position because of the extra profits that we made. That's how we will continue to dominate 2024, 2025, swinging, trading coins such as SWFTCoin. Great coin. You guys need to put this coin on your radar if you're going to get a little bit of skin in the game. Right now, it's beat down right now at 0.0027. Market cap still very low, sitting at $11 million. That is SWFT coin. Check that coin out, do some research on it, and then come back and holler at your boy Stock Holiday and let me know what you think about SWFTCoin. Now, the next coin that we are going to get into is another small cap, micro cap, low cap coin, and it is Turbo, TURBO. Currently, this coin is sitting at 0.0003. That's 3 zeros and a 3. Market cap very small. The market cap is only $20 million. Now, just a little bit larger than SWFTCoin, but not by much. $20 million market cap is still very small, still considered a micro cap coin. You can find this coin on the Uphold platform. You can find that link in my descriptions below. But this is a coin that it's a fairly new coin. This coin been around since May of 2023. It came out at 0.002, and so that is about a 10x or something like that it already pushed. But with this coin coming out being so new in 2023, this coin have yet to experience a cryptocurrency bull run because it wasn't around in 2021. So once this coin get a taste of a cryptocurrency bull run, which will be coming in 2024, 2025, this is one of the coins that will be going parabolic. Could do a easy 25x, do an easy 50x. If it did a 50x from here right now, we're talking about a $1 billion market cap or something like that. So, coins like this, these are called altcoin gems. Nobody talking about these coins, which is the best time to get in coins like these. It's been trading sideways, haven't had a lot of action, been under the radar. A lot of folks don't know about Turbo, but once this coin really start running, people will start flocking to Turbo. They will start talking about Turbo, and you will be lucky enough to already have heard about Turbo because you're watching your boy Stock Holiday throughout the week, giving you updates on these small cap gems that nobody is talking about. You could get in early while the price is low. The main thing, you get in early while the market cap is still low. 2024, 2025 especially, we know things will be going very parabolic. Market cap of $1 billion will be the norm. So these coins right now sitting at $20 million market cap. If you multiply it by 50, you are talking about a $1 billion market cap. Say even if it don't get to $1 billion, say it only do a 25x. You talking about a $500 million market cap. That is extremely small, but that's why we diversify our portfolio with small cap coins like these. These are the type of coins that can take our portfolio and take it to the next level and the next level after that. But the main thing is to continue to be patient. Trust the coins that you in and just let those coins do what they are going to do. You do your part, which is invest in the coins, get a position in the coins, do your research in the coins, and the coins will do what they're going to do. We are in currently in the bull run. We see Bitcoin pumping strong, $50,000, broke through the $50,000 mark like it's nothing. We have been seeing various other coins pump 100% in one day, pump 200% in one day. That is the nature of the cryptocurrency market that we're in. We are in at a great time. The Bitcoin halving have not even arrived yet. We're still 2 months away from the Bitcoin halving. So guys, after the Bitcoin halving during the summer 2024, things are going to get very exciting. If you think it's exciting right now, summer 2024 is going to be explosive. 2025, you might not even be ready for that, but you will need to get ready. Get your plays ready. Get your positions set, and follow your boy Stock Holiday. Because like I say, I'm the coach. I could call the play, but I can't get in the game and run the ball for you. You need to get your plays set and ready for 2024. You need to get your portfolio lined up so you can take advantage of 2025 when these coins start going parabolic, when these coins start exploding, going from 100% in one day, spiking 200% in one day. You seeing your portfolio go from 2024 to 2025. You've already did a 20x or a 50x in your portfolio. We are on the path to create financial freedom for you that's watching this video. Most of you guys, some of you guys will be the new and upcoming cryptocurrency millionaires of 2025. Continue to follow the fundamentals, continue to stay patient, continue to trust the process. Now, like I always say, now get out there and do it to your service and don't get nervous. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.